Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking model compatibility and the embedded Magsafe ring position. This matters because ring placement defines magnetic centering. Once done, clear dust and debris because even a small gap reduces magnetic force and wireless charging efficiency. Next, place the phone flat and bring the case close. Feel the first magnetic pull. Align camera cutouts and charging coil area. You want a snug, audible click when magnets seat, which confirms proper mechanical and electromagnetic alignment for optimal performance. You need to know how the magnet array and charging coil interact. Concentric magnets produce a stable holding force and consistent polarity, so the phone centers on chargers. As you fit the case, make sure the internal charging coil aligns with the Magsafe ring. Otherwise, wireless power transfers drop and heat rises. Also, consider case thickness and materials. Rubber and silicone pass fields well, while metal or dense inserts increase separation and can prevent proper charging. So avoid them or use Magsafe compatible. You finish by testing with a Magsafe charger. Watch for the charging animation and only a mild, uniform warmth. If it fails, remove the case and test the phone alone to determine whether the case or phone is the problem. Make sure to wiggle minimally to confirm the magnetic lock is stable. If you feel uneven pull, inspect for warped edges or displaced magnets. One key troubleshooting tip: if charging stops, check for metal debris stuck in the ring. Remove it and reseat the case to restore function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.